Foshan SNAT Energy Electrical Technology Company Limited was established in 2010 with many experienced and powerful strength for solutions for electric energy and solar energy, which is specializing in manufacturing solar inverters, portable solar system, MPPT solar charge controllers, hybrid solar inverter, three-phase solar inverter, PV combiner box, solar battery, solar panel, UPS, and complete set solar energy system, which are used for household, telecommunication, electricity, infrastructure, and industrial markets. Our factory passed ISO 9001 certification in 2018. All products certified by CE, Roche, and IEC 62109-1 test report. SNAT has more than 100 employees, total 3 production workshops, and 8 production lines, with an area of more than 6,000 square meters. All products purchased by our company have our warranty commitment and good after-sale service. Parts will be replaced for free during warranty period. We have professional R&D and excellent sales team, focusing on customers' demands, continuous innovation, establish good cooperation with more and more customers. SNAT has been being a pioneer in the world's new energy field, won a good reputation among clients, and we have already attended exhibition for solar energy all over the world. At the same time, we sincerely wish to cooperate with more and more international traders to create a better future. Let us be better, stronger, and win-win together.